yourself, please. Careful, careful. I hope you're not recording right now. Did you hit the record button? I can't even tell, but this is going to be an odd video if you're recording this. Dude, did you actually turn the thing on? I think you did. I know you like to play with the phone, but really? Hi. Whoa, extreme cockatoo close-up. Whoa. Well, you can't eat it. You're a funny little duck, you know that? Oh, you want to grab hold of me? Okay, okay, I captured you. You just want me to play with you. All right, you go over here. There you go. You want to come back? All right. Whoa. Whoa, you're definitely an extreme close-up. Whoa, cockatoo. Whoa, that's way too close. Please don't bite my phone. Oh, you think that's funny, huh? Whoa, I can't focus on you that close, guy. This camera isn't that good. Okay, dude. I don't know what the heck you want. This is the weirdest bird video that anybody has ever done. Like, whoop, don't bite the phone.